Hey guys, it's Julie here with TipRanks, and today we're taking a look at two stocks that score a 10 out of 10. So let's get into it. All right, welcome back everyone. Thank you all so much for being here. Today we're taking a look at two stocks that score a 10 out of 10 on the TipRanks Smart Score. This looks at 8 unique factors and measures a stock's likelihood to outperform the overall market. On top of this perfect 10 rating, these two stocks also come in with a strong buy consensus from Wall Street Analysts. So we're going to take a look at these companies, what it is that they do, and what those analysts are predicting for the stock's future. We found today's stocks over on TipRanks on the top Smart Score stocks page. Found under the Ideas tab, here you're going to see the highest scoring top Smart Score stocks. You can narrow this down by how long they've been scoring that 10 out of 10 rating, narrow it down by sector, and also market cap as well to get your list of companies down below. Just before we get into our two stocks today, this is your friendly reminder that if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel. You can also download the TipRanks mobile app to access all your favorite investment research tools on the go. Links are in the description down below. Let's get right into our two perfect 10 stocks. First on our list is ON Holding. They trade under the ticker ONON, currently priced at $37.60. Year to date, the stock has climbed 39%. In the last 3 months, up 15%. They currently score a 10 out of 10 on the TipRanks Smart Score with bullish blogger sentiment, very positive crowd wisdom, and positive technicals. In the last quarter, hedge funds increased their holdings by 3 million shares. We've also seen the number of portfolios holding the stock increase nearly 15% in the last 30 days. ON Holding develops and distributes sports products, including footwear, apparel, and accessories. Founded in 2010 over in Switzerland, their products are designed for a variety of activities such as running, tennis, training, and outdoor activities. They are known for their award-winning cloud tech innovation, as well as their commitment to the circular economy. 30% of the materials used in their 2022 products did not depend on fossil-based resources. They now have a presence in over 60 countries and over 50 million products sold to date. They'll be sharing their Q2 earnings report in about a month on August 14th, and this does follow a notable earnings beat for their Q1 back in May, where the company also saw record sales. For their second quarter, analysts are anticipating earnings per share of 19 cents, which would be a 15-cent increase over the previous year. This follows their Q1, where earnings per share came in at 37 cents, beating expectations of 15 cents. The company saw record net sales that surpassed 500 million Swiss franc for the first time in their history. With this, the company also reiterated their full-year expectation of at least 30% growth in net sales on a constant currency basis. An analyst from Truist recently weighed in on the ON Holding stock with a buy rating. They said they're turning more bullish on the company's brand momentum across regions, channels, and categories following their meeting with their investor relations team. They said that ON Holding's thoughtful and strategic wholesale expansion is helping to spread the still limited awareness, and the company's partnership with Zendaya and exposure during the Summer Olympics can meaningfully help accelerate this process. Their stock does currently have 17 analyst ratings, nearly coming in as a unanimous strong buy, with 16 buys and just 1 hold. And the average price target comes in at $43.60, implying an upside potential of 16% from current prices. Looking at the recent ratings down below, we can see several analysts increasing their price target over the last few weeks. Recent low-end price targets, we have several coming in at 6.7%. If we go back further, we do have our hold rating here back in May with a downside of nearly 12%, and our high-end price target comes from UBS at $55 for an upside of over 46%. Our second 10 out of 10 stock is TechnipFMC. They trade under the ticker FTI, currently priced at $28.25. Year to date, their stock has climbed 40%, and in the last 3 months has gained nearly 12%. The company does have that 10 out of 10 Smart Score with increased hedge fund activity, very positive new sentiment and bullish blogger sentiment, and positive technicals. Hedge funds increased their holdings by 2.5 million shares last quarter, and we saw top investors holding the stock in their portfolio increase over 16% in the last 30 days. TechnipFMC is a global energy services company, providing products, services, and integrated projects to meet the world's energy needs. Their 20,000-person team designs, engineers, manufactures, and installs systems for the energy industry. Their business units include subsea technologies, surface technologies, and new energy, helping transition to the next frontier in the energy world. They'll be sharing their Q2 earnings report near the end of this month on July 25th, and analysts are anticipating a notable year-over-year increase. This does follow an earnings beat for their first quarter, which came out near the end of April. For their second quarter, analysts are anticipating earnings per share of 31 cents, which would be a 21-cent increase over last year's. For their Q1, revenue did beat at $2.03 billion, and earnings per share of 22 cents came in 6 cents ahead of estimates. The company noted inbound orders of $2.4 billion. They won 3 different awards, providing their first-of-their-kind technology solutions, and they achieved an investment-grade rating from S&P Global Ratings. Their most recent buy rating comes from a 5-star analyst at Citi just last week who opened a positive catalyst watch for the company. They opened a 30-day positive catalyst watch on the shares ahead of the Q2 report. The firm established a positive short-term view on TechnipFMC given the potential for positive commentary regarding fiscal 2025 estimate upside on the earnings call, as well as the defensive characteristics of the company, which may aid the stock. They are one of 10 analysts that have a current rating on the stock, which comes in as a strong buy with 9 buy ratings and 1 hold. And the average price target of $31.40 implies an upside of 11% from current prices. We can see that recent rating here from Citi at $32. Our low-end price target is the 1 hold rating with a downside of nearly 8%, and we have a couple high-end price targets both at 20% upside. So that is a quick look at 2 stocks, both scoring a 10 out of 10 on the TipRanks Smart Score and receiving a strong buy consensus from Wall Street. Let me know your thoughts on these 2 companies in the comments down below and whether they were on your radar before or not. I always love hearing from you guys. Of course, keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock. Please make sure you're always doing your own research and due diligence. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you back here next time.